Shwstamai as Gurumai Muriaus on Chitmach Nochs. Thank you so much for coming out on quite a wet and wild evening. I'm so pleased that you're all here to celebrate Juan Garrett as the Reih Bleeaney Vanannan, Manannan's Choice of the Year for 2026. Juan Garrett has been awarded the Isle of Man's highest cultural honour in recognition of over 40 years of outstanding contribution to Manx culture as a dancer and teacher and as founder and chairman of Shennaghys Jiu Celtic Festival. It is really wonderful to see a room full of Juan's friends and family and colleagues, and you must be all very, very proud. Before I give you a whistle-stop tour of his contribution over 4 decades, I think Juan would want me to emphasise that he started dancing when he was very, very young. Much of what you will hear tonight comes from the words that were submitted as nominations, which praise Juan's exceptional, continuous and deeply influential contribution to Manx culture. For over 4 decades, he has been a committed advocate, organiser and practitioner of Manx cultural life. There is little doubt that his work has enriched our island's cultural landscape and that his teaching and leadership have inspired and empowered so many young people, ensuring that our traditions remain vibrant, relevant, accessible and most proudly and properly celebrated. A talented solo dancer, group leader and choreographer, Juan has been involved with Manx culture since he was quite small, performing and stewarding at festivals such as in Cruinnicht, participating in community events around the island, and performing spectacularly choreographed shows internationally. His name has long been synonymous with the mighty Na Féinní, Ramsey's dynamic and innovative traditional dance group since its founding in 1980. As one of the group's leaders, Juan has shown the energy to train successive cohorts of young dancers to the very highest standards, showcasing Manx culture at festivals in Galicia, Brittany, Ireland, Cornwall, as well as across the island. But it is Juan's ability to take Manx culture around the world, to make friends, and then to bring them together on the island that led to his establishing Shennaghys Jiu Festival, to provide a welcoming platform for young people to explore and share their cultural heritage. As you will all know, Shennaghys Jiu was created in 1998 after a late-night conversation by Juan and his great friend Andrew Hannon, together with Speyfest James Alexander. Their aim, together with Rachel Presley of course, was to give young performers of Manx traditional music and dance the opportunity to take part in informal sessions and to perform on stage without the pressure of competition. The hope was that visiting musicians would help young Manx artists experience and share the culture of other Celtic nations in a festival with a massive heart. Since the festival's inception, visiting musicians have arrived from all Celtic nations. It is testament to Juan's skills that he's managed to attract exceptional musicians who, without fail, leave with a positive view of the island and its culture, and that Manx performers feel inspired to keep pushing for higher standards, for greater creativity. Juan's vision for the festival has played a crucial role in the development of young Manx performers. Musicians who have now forged successful international careers were once nurtured in the encouraging nursery of Shennaghys Jiu, something that they never forget. And as you all know, festivals don't just happen. They take long volunteer hours from a group of people. Working with so many of you in this room, Juan's passion and perseverance have influenced thousands of young people who have taken part over more than 25 years of Shennaghys Jiu. And all of this has been achieved in his free time, because Juan has a long and dedicated career as a school teacher, yet another way that he has been able to connect young people to Manx culture. Juan's influence is felt across generations. So many people will credit him with inspiring their love of Manx music and dance, or for offering them their first opportunity to perform or create publicly. The legacy that he has built is one that continues to ripple outward through families, schools, cultural groups and the wider community. His influence is woven into the cultural experiences of countless young people and families. Juan has helped ensure the Manx culture is lived, shared and passed on with pride. On behalf of Culture Vannin and the RBV selection panel, represented by Chris and Bob and Jonathan and Jim today, who are kindly here tonight, I want to congratulate Juan. Molia as soliadut, as us and Reih Bleeaney Vanannan.